Okay, this is the elevator at the abandoned, under renovation building. I'll tell you in a second. Okay, this elevator has been running a while. Good possibility of us getting stuck, but it looks like they just renovated it. Yikes. Oh god. Go. Oh man. God, look at the lights. Here's a view. There's the tennis court. There's that, oh god, that door needs a new mechanism. Let's go back down the death trap. Oh, it's pretty clean up there. It looks freshly painted. That's interesting. Okay, let's go to one. Oh, it goes down a lot quicker than it goes up. The phone is, oh, this phone's right there. Come on, level. There we go. That's it. I believe this is building 9. But there's no signs or emergency plans up. So I'm pretty sure it's building 9, not sure. I'm gonna label it as that.